When washing your face, have you ever stopped and wondered, am I washing my face correctly? It's a common question that lingers in the minds of many. Today, we're going to talk about cleansing, uncovering common mistakes, and revealing the best techniques and products for your skin type. Just before we jump into the nitty-gritty, be sure to join my channel by subscribing. Please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you in advance for supporting. Let's talk about the different types of cleansers. Cleansing is often considered the first and most crucial step, but with a plethora of cleansers available in the market, it's easy to get overwhelmed. From foaming cleansers to oil-based gel and cream cleansers, each one has its unique benefits and uses. Foaming cleansers, for instance, are the superheroes of the cleansing world when it comes to battling oily skin. They work by lathering up into a rich foam that effectively removes excess oil and grime. However, they can be a bit too harsh for those with dry or sensitive skin. Enter oil-based cleansers. These are the gentle giants of the cleansing world. They work on the principle of like dissolves like, effectively dissolving and removing oil-based impurities like sebum and makeup, while leaving your skin soft and moisturized. Next up, we have gel cleansers. These are the Goldilocks of the cleansing world. Not too harsh, not too gentle, just right. They are suitable for combination skin, effectively removing impurities without disrupting your skin's natural moisture balance. Lastly, cream cleansers. These are the soothing lullabies that lull dry or sensitive skin into a state of calm. They cleanse your skin while depositing moisture back into it, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and hydrated. But remember, no matter the type of cleanser, the cardinal rule of cleansing is to never overdo it. Over-cleansing can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. It's important to cleanse only twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Let's talk about some proper cleansing habits to ensure you're getting the most out of your skincare routine. First and foremost, always wash your hands before touching your face. This prevents the transfer of dirt, bacteria, and other impurities onto your skin. Next, use lukewarm water to wet your face. Hot water can be too harsh and drying. While cold water may not effectively cleanse your skin now, it's time to apply your cleanser. Remember, a little goes a long way. Use about a dime-sized amount and gently massage it onto your skin in circular motions. Once you've thoroughly cleansed your face, rinse off the cleanser with lukewarm water. Make sure to pat your skin dry with a clean towel, avoiding any harsh rubbing. Remember to choose a cleanser that suits your skin type and follow these proper cleansing habits for a glowing, healthy complexion. Your skin will thank you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty and lifestyle content. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful.